2 more days and we are finished. Today we are painting with water brush markers. These ones are for Arteza, real brush pen, and they are water based. And we are also, since I don't have white, we are using this water based marker from Job. I think it's Job. So it is very white and it is cool. And we are using our brushes. This one for the bigger, we are using these colors, and this are with no water, and these parts are with water. So you see how is this look. And I think I need to remove this part. And I also challenge myself, of course, with this paper. And this paper I make in one factory, one museum, paper museum in Holland, and it is really good. But we are working and making this paper, and we are making some stamps. And I don't know, do you see stamp here, or some horse, I think, and everyone has some stamps. And I didn't thinking that I will probably want to paint on this paper, and I make stamps on every one of them. So here is a little bit, but never mind, we will try. So first I want to use this blue, and probably I want to make this blue around here, like on this bowl, like this. And then later I want to add water and to make it like more like watercolors, you know what I mean. So I will add also here a bit, and I want to now work on this part. I want this blue all around, so I will add more here. And this is like sky and snow, like blue, and also here and here somewhere, because I want this to go like this. Like this. And now we need our browns. So which one? Probably the darkest. Oh no, darkest is for the branch. So which one? This one. This one is for this part. Like this. And then our greens. Do I have 2 greens or just one? Probably just one. I will add this gray around also. It's grayish green, so I will add a little bit here. And then this green. Just like here. Then we need, let this to dry a bit, and until this dry I will paint on this house. And then we need darker brown. That is that. Now a little bit maybe on this. Here and there. Like this. Now this is not yet dry, so I just want to add a little bit more of this blue. So now when this is dried, we need to make our whites around, and we will do it like this. And then I need my red for this little mistletoe. What is this? I don't know. This, and then I need more green. And then some whites here. Then a little bit gray. And that is our little Christmas ball. I'm thinking to add white. And I think, guys, we are finished. So I need to sign with what? Maybe with this one. Tomorrow, last day, and this is almost 50 days. I'm uploading long form videos. Can you believe it? I can't. I'm already almost crazy. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.